This is the way to activate an Ethernet connection. Touch menu, then option information. Touch Ethernet USB. Touch disable to change to enable, then touch save. Run DAQ master. Click supported device list. Process automation, KRN 1000. Click TCP/IP. Click TCP/IP at My System and set as KRN 1000 IP address. Click Modbus Master at My System and change to Modbus TCP. Click Connect. Reconnecting at My System means the communication is not working. How to set IP address. Set the last digit of the PC's IP address to a number +-1. Click Connect. It is now connected well because the correct IP address is set. Right-click on KRN 1000 at My System. Click Scan Unit Address. Set 1 to 1 under Address Range, and click Start Scan. DAQ Master found KRN 1000 and click OK. Select tags under I/O list, then right-click. Click Add to DAQ list. Click Runtime screen. Double-click Multi-panel. Drag the tags onto multi-panel. Click Run. Temperatures of the recorder are displaying well. There are various runtime screens. Click Log. Click View Log to run data analysis. Click Grid. Drag the tags onto Data Grid. It shows log data from log start time to log end time. Please refer to above link address to know how to back up in or external memory.